Hello everyone! Today we are gonna do a gacha tutorial. So let's begin. Everything that I'll be sharing in this video is based on my own experience. First go to body and then adjust. Make it how long or short you want it to be. You can also adjust the head. Then go to hair and select the hair. You can take real-life references. I am making my original character here. You can go to adjust in the corner to get the desired lengths for hair. Now get an eye shape. I usually use the eye shape I am currently using. Try to use natural colors. Adjusting eyebrows. How to get clothes easily is to go to presets. Click here and then click here, and then select any clothes you like. Then you can adjust them the way you like. You can also adjust chin and eyes too. Now go to Studio and select background. I am gonna make her walk. Just remember where you put the character last time and make little differences in each shot. I was struggling here, Lamau.